guys, today I made this level and it's called Automanot. It's not called that, it's called GG. My level is called GG. That's just the name of the song. And this is really hard, guys. Hey, let me auto it. Then we try this.
We'll make sure that she's the proper story.
Yeah, ride somebody back into your car or being an Asian driver.
Don't sit here and stare. No, I'm gonna try to get out of here. Don't even look at it. Now, I know Stoney's bummed out about his car, but he needs to stop worrying. I mean, not only am I gonna make it as good as new, I'm gonna make it better than new. I got a plan that's gonna knock that frown right off of Stoney's face. Just leave. Let's go. Let's get this done. Absolutely.
The rainy bike this one because it's comfy.
What kind of money are you looking at?
Yeah, I know.
Well,
It's all about showing each car a little bit of love.
Loving it, man.
County Cars is brought to you by Subaru. Love. It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
Turning out the grain again, the bells began to chime. Time she shines, there's no turning.
You can pass down a Subaru Forester. She's all yours. You get to keep the memories. Love. It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
Being in love is an amazing thing. Being in love with your best friend is everything. Ever us. One diamond for your best friend, one for your true love. For the one woman who's both. Ever us. Available at Zales, Jared, and Kay.
Hey there, folks. It's me, the extra crispy Colonel. Now, I love original recipe in the sizzling summer heat. I'm feeling a little extra crispy. My extra crispy $20.
KFC. Extra crispy good.
You did not grow up with an LG washer that handles tough and dainty at the same time. Nice to be grown up, isn't it?
Oh my
Get this
god, I
LG
forgot
front-load
to...
washer and Sidekick pedestal washer for just $999. The Home Depot. More savings, more
The
deals.
rent.
Beer, ice cold beer. Can we get some beers?
Where's Apple Ale?
Yes.
I'll take one too.
Oh my god.
Red's Apple Ale. Crisp like an apple, brewed like a beer.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
Dad, why did you remind me?
What we're building is bigger than any government.
you even said a bad word. You even said a bad word.
Who did?
You.
What did I say?
You say the S word.
No, didn't.
Yes, you did.
I didn't, Micah.
I heard you.
I didn't say. Cut it out.
I was just kidding. You didn't say a bad word. I was just kidding.
expect great savings and a whole lot more.
Yeah, I'd say there's a little bit of freezing rain going on out there. There's ice falling out of the sky. The wind is bone chilling. Yeah, it's weather like this that makes people tap out.
This is bad. I'm not getting fish anymore. Everything's fine.
Oh man, look at them, these muscles. They make me sick like a dog. This is a tremendous risk, but life is risk. Nobody survives it.
You see what I'm looking at?
There's otter.
This is what I'm talking about.
Yes.
This job is actually in good shape.
Then you put up the TV on that.
Polish it out and throw some black panels on the side. Unfortunately, when it came back from Buff, I noticed all kinds of issues on the hood that had to be handled. This is not an option.
1 second.
What color this green is, and that just costs time. My blends and add some extra style to this truck. And once this is all sanded, I need you to pick out the worst spots and put in your own, like black only, like a black only eagle, kind of black and white. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, but if I do need, you're just gonna come back and be like, you know, it's too tough. That's not, you know, I didn't want to bring its claws out. You will hear nothing out of me. No. I mean, you were absolutely going to promise. You're going to do nothing but look at it and say, hey, great job, Mike, and then walk away and get away from it. Okay. I won't. I'm going to trust you. Just so you know, I'm trusting you. You're trusting me. I'm going to trust you. I'm going to trust you to do clean and classy. You're going to trust me to drop dog. I still know this is going to backfire on me somehow. Just please do your job. Okay? Just do it. I think the mural is a smart way to make the truck look great without spending a ton of money. But I'm taking a huge risk on relying on Mike to get the job done. The thing is, I haven't exactly told Danny about the mural and the hood. This is going to be one of those situations where I beg for
Okay.
forgiveness rather than ask for permission. Hey, who's going to have to get the damn hood off? This is where he lives. That's it. Right there. Sweet. Dude, this is sick too. Love that car. What's up, Clean? What's up? I'm with Shannon at my old buddy Clean's place. Clean's a tattoo artist and a bit of a local legend. This guy is known for collecting all kinds of cool stuff. Getting him to visit is always a trip. I think he's got a bike that Shannon's gonna want to take home. He's got a lot of cool stuff.
Man, heck, I've had this since I was 19.
Seriously?
Yeah, this was the first one, man. This is what got the whole bug going with cars.
Man, he really gonna get rid of stuff, huh?
No.
This is cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Motorcycles. Motorcycle Shannon.
Yeah, come on.
Hey, look
Mike,
at all
did you
this.
brush your teeth?
Yes, hello.
Okay.
Come on back.
Man, this is some awesomeness. It's a skate park.
Yeah, pretty much.
Look at that.
This is like the dude's dream house.
This is like big kid's paradise back here. Dude, you still skating?
Yeah.
Look at all this.
But yeah,
There's just like too much to look at. See? See what I said? Nice. See what I shovel? It's like a 74 shovel or something?
81. Yep. Belt drive. I mean,
Oh, internal belt?
yeah, disc brakes. I mean, it gets up and goes, man. You know, I want this one just to kind of, you know, ride it and kind of flip it down the road when I got done building this other one.
Right.
But
Good man. Work. Good man.
Dude, I'm in no hurry to sell nothing. Can't do 4. I don't give stuff away. You know what I mean?
I know you don't.
I could get 5 all day, every day. You know, just posting it on the internet. You know that.
You don't have junk. That's the thing. That's true. They go run by Danny.
Go with your dad down there.
Why? Are you gonna work?
I'm gonna do my homework.
What's your homework? Poop?
Turn off the TV.
Is your homework poop?
Beep.
Oh, my level is really cool. Nice. Yes, Mommy? 1 second. Too red. Control, then you turn this to this green color. It will be like a yellow green and black. Come up.